So today our topic is about what is atoms. Basically, atom is the smallest unit of the matter. So everything around us is made up of the atoms. So atoms are very small and invisible to the eye. So there is the discovery of the nuclear atoms. For example, it was discovered by the Ernest Rutherford that the gold foil experiment, which changed the old atomic model. So, according to the Rutherford gold foil experiment, some alpha particles were fired at the gold foil. So, it most passes straight through, while some were deflected back. So, as a conclusion of the experiment, the atom has a small, dense nucleus. So, the nucleus is positively charged, and most of the atoms is empty space. So this can be explained with the structure of the nuclear atom, that the atoms and the center have been the nucleus, which surrounding with the negative charge electrons and the positive charge protons. So this is a dense central nucleus, which protons and neutrons in the nucleus and the electrons orbiting around the nucleus. So the parts of the nucleus, for basically the protons as a positive charge, the neutrons having the no charge and having a very dense and heavy availability or structure of these atoms. What is the proton? Basically, proton is a subatomic particle. Its symbol show with the P and it found inside the nucleus. Charge of a proton has a positive charge. The charge will be the plus positive charge sign, and the balance electrons will be the negative charge. So the mass of the proton, basically the mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg, so much heavier than the electrons, and it contributes to the atomic mass. What is the locations of the proton? Basically, it is present in the nucleus and it packs very closely, so strong nuclear forces hold them together. Proton inside the nucleus. For example, inside the nucleus, the protons are present. In this picture, the red ball showing the positive protons and the other blue side showing the negative protons electrons, while other having the neutral neutrons. So what is the importance of the protons? It determine the atomic number and identify the elements. It affect the chemical properties. So hydrogens have the first protons, oxygen has the 8 protons, and there have been the change in the proton which causing the new element. So as a summary, nuclear atom has a dense nucleus. So protons are positively charged. Protons define the elements and having a very important role in daily life. Thank you so much.